Welcome back to Meals Without Meat. Today we are making a pasta salad continuing our summer cookout series. Just so you know, I am shooting in a house with the fan off so that you can get good audio. So just trust that I love you. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. First, we boil this tri-colored spiral noodles, and you will cook it according to the package directions, which is about 7 minutes, and you don't want it to be soft and mushy when it's done. So cook it according to the package directions. And this is actually Italian style deli vegan alternative from Tofurky. And we're going to slice this up a bit, and we're going to put this inside of the pasta salad. I'm just kind of rolling it up and slicing it so that we get decent sized chunks, and they don't have to be uniform or anything like that. Alright, so here's about what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle that in. And after you boil your pasta and you create this dish, I do want to let you know in advance that it will have to be refrigerated for at least like an hour to an hour and a half, 2 hours, because you want it to be served cold. The next ingredient that I'll add is chopped celery. And it is sliced, chopped very, very thinly. And if you have a food processor, you can go ahead and use that. I don't have one here today with me, so I just chopped it by hand, and it's just fine. I used 2 small, like not the extra long, but like the small celery stalks. Go ahead and add that. Now we're adding carrots, and this is probably just 1 tablespoon. That's plenty. A half of a cucumber, chopped. About this size. Next we have 4 pepperoncinis, and I wanted to keep these chopped pretty large so that those people who are avoiding them could clearly see them in the salad. And I also removed the stems. I do have to say that pepperoncini is the bomb, and I actually eat it with my pizza. And if you haven't tried that, you totally should. It's really good. It's like next level. Y'all know I love my olives, so we have 2.5 tablespoons of green olives. Honestly, you can use whatever kind of olives you like. I mean, obviously, you could also omit them if you're not a fan of olives. But you could use black olives, which I'm not a fan of, or Kalamata olives, which is also a type of olive that I was considering. I have 1/4 of a large red onion. So chopped, it makes about 2 tablespoons of chopped red onions. And these would be about the same size of the celery. I have cherry tomatoes. I chopped 10. Actually, I just cut them in half. Lastly, we have 2.5 tablespoons of Italian dressing, and I also added some chopped garlic that I bought bottled that was in water. I added 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic to the Italian dressing, and you're going to pour this all over the pasta salad, and that's what you're going to let it marinate in for the 1.5 to 2 hours. So if you get invited to a cookout at 12, you can start cooking this at 12, but you're going to be late anyway, and then it'll be ready at 2. Also, you of course want to season to taste. We are all about seasoning over here. So I have ground white pepper. Just kind of sprinkle quite a bit. Lemon pepper as well. And that's it. I wouldn't really overdo it. You have the Italian dressing, you have the garlic. Don't overdo it. Let the flavors marinate on their own. After you drizzle the Italian dressing in, all you're going to do is stir. Make sure like all of the noodles get coated, all of the vegetables get coated. And obviously you can use more or less depending on how much pasta you cook. But I don't think you want to drown it. Don't drown it. Just let it marinate in it. There's a secret about pasta salad. The staples are truly noodles and Italian dressing, but anything really beyond that is really kind of up to personal preference. So the gist of this is what I've had growing up as a child before I became vegan. A lot of times people do add cheese, and so you can also add vegan cheese if you like. I chose to omit that. You could also add more vegetables. I've seen pasta salads with broccoli, but I think it's kind of an odd texture to add to this, so I didn't. Truly, whatever vegetables you like can be added to the pasta salad and it'll be a hit. So you asked, what are you wearing, darling? And I'm so glad that you did. I'm wearing another outfit from fiercefinds.com, and it is a maxi dress. As you can see, the top is lace and then it goes down into a lovely print. And as I said before, if you like it, go ahead and shop for it. Things that are there, once they're gone, they are gone. So shop fiercefinds.com. Nonetheless, you are all done with this recipe. Go ahead and throw it in the fridge for 2 hours, cover it obviously, and then you'll be ready to wow your friends with your vegan dish. Have a great weekend and enjoy the summer. I encourage you to follow us on facebook.com/mealswithoutmeat. Please share with your friends, and if you think this recipe would be awesome, go ahead and like it. Tell other people about it. Get the word out. We are here to help serve you, give you recipes that you can enjoy and share with your friends and family. So if there's anything else that you would like for us to create, just let us know. We'll invest our money, we'll figure out the recipe, and we'll tell you. So just let us know. And I'm also on Instagram @MeatlessMaven.